Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Avail property management. So the very first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then search for avail.com. So here, let's start with the landlord. So we can list your rental property for free across the 21 rental sites. So fill vacant units fast using this tool. So here, find renters fast by posting your rental listing at the top rental sites they're searching on. So we have the basics, photos, review, and publish. So post your property for rent at no cost. Whether you need to post one listing or several, Avail lets you list your property for free and no additional cost to you. So get suggested rental listing title and description to save time. So this video is just a review of this tool since this tool is not available in our country, so it depends on your location. Okay, so here, find great renters fast. List your apartment, condo, townhome, or house through Avail to appear on highly visited sites. So here, in just one click, your rental listings will show across 21 sites to increase your overall visibility. So list faster with promoted listings. So boost your already published listings exposure with their new promoted listing tool. Get premium placement across Realtor.com and Zumper networks to list your property faster. So you can use the booster so your visibility of your listing. Next is the price or rental right. Get insights on local rental comps and demand with our rent analysis report. Use our report to set a competitive rent price. Streamline tenant screening. So easily request rental applications and screening reports from interested renters who inquired through rental listings, request rental applications. And how to post your rental on Avail. Add property details with high quality images. Add a detailed rental listings, title, and descriptions. Set your rent price and required fees. Publish your rental listings to share with your renters. And for the additional Avail features for landlords, talent screening, and more. Next, we have the rental applications. We also have the tenants right here, but for now, we are going to focus on the landlords. Okay, so next we have this one. So online rental application to easily find your next renter, so including rental income, employment, credit history, criminal background, and more. So all integrated within the platform to simplify finding a qualified renter. And confidently find the qualified renters, get key information about potential renters, income, employment, residential history, smoking habits, and pet ownership so you can quickly find the great matches. And then next, we have the how leads apply. So control the ways that interested leads apply by automatically requesting applications manually, sending links, or allowing renters to apply directly from the partner sites like Realtor.com, all from your Avail dashboard. Here, work smarter with Avail. So our system simplifies the renter search by automating landlords as reference checks, scheduling tours, and providing one-click lead response templates for a more efficient rental process. Okay, next is we are going to go back to the landlord section at the top. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. We have here the tenant screening. Okay, so for the tenant screening, screen your tenants with Avail to find tenants who pay rent on time. Now let's go back to the landlords and let's check the rent price. So set a competitive rent price with the custom rent estimate report to get local rental comps, market trends, rent price changes, and more with the Avail rent analysis report. So here, receive a custom rent estimate report in minutes, understand your market, track demand in your area, and then you have to know your neighborhood's rental dynamics, and of course get local rental comps. Okay, and then view the historical data, evaluate your investment's profitability, and stay ahead of the market changes. So you have here the pictures at the left side. Okay, so find renters fast with an Avail rental listing. So leverage reliable insight from our report to set the ideal rent price for your property. Okay, And next, let's go back to the landlord section. Next, we have the maintenance tracking. Okay, so we are going to try this one. To manage your rental property maintenance without the headache, Avail makes handling repairs easier with landlord maintenance software, track repairs with in-app messaging, photos, and automatic maintenance records. Okay, so here tenants can quickly submit maintenance requests online. So your tenant can submit maintenance requests through their account whenever they need. So you'll be notified via email when a request is sent to you. So easily communicate with tenants about rental property repairs. So with photos of the issue and in app, instant messaging, and here keep a record of how and when maintenance issues are resolved, so tenants can see whether maintenance ticket is pending or completed. So yeah, you don't have to do everything manually. And here, track repair progress, upload photos, message tenants in app, share repair progress with your tenants, loop in your own contractors, and keep record of repair notes and cost. Okay, so next we have the rental property calculator. So here you have to log in to start the calculator. So here you'd be able to see the details of how the calculator works. Just have to read this one. So for the property details, you have to input right here the property address. So you can proceed to the next page. So there are 10 pages before you can calculate. You can use the rental property calculator. Okay, so you just have to read this one. Now let's go back. Next, we have the online rent collection. So collect rent payments online with ease. So take the stress out of online rent collection, collect rent payments, security deposits, and move-in fees, and more in one platform. So you can collect rent payments online, so you don't have to collect them manually from your tenants. Next, request payments and rental fees. Easily create payment lists for rent payments, fees, and deposits from one or multiple renters through Avail Rent Collection. Track payments. And with the renter-friendly features, Avail offers features that encourage on-time rent payments and make it easy to pay rent online. So basically, Avail is a user-friendly cloud-based property management platform tailored for independent landlords and small rental business. It offers a comprehensive suite for tools to streamline the rental process, including listing properties across multiple platforms, screening tenants with a credit and background checks, collecting rent online, managing leases, and tracking maintenance requests. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.